YouTube, this is Kavil coming back to you today with another great video. Today I would like to share with you some facial products that I'm using on my face. I'm loving them and I just want to share with you. Before I get into this video, don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. So guys, I'm just gonna go straight into this video. I'm using a soap on my face and I'm loving the soap. So guys, I've been using this soap about a year and a half, going 2 years, and I really love this soap. The soap is so amazing. If you ever like a person that suffer from getting pimples, this soap will take away this pimple in 2 days. I tell you, 2 days, that's how it worked for my face. I'm not a person that normally used to get pimples, but I found lately that when I use any greasy stuff in my hair or oils, it just break my face out. And you know, thank God I find this soap. I don't have to worry. I know in 2 days or so that pimple is gone. So this soap is amazing for pimple. It makes your face like feel really nice and soft, and it's also making your face glow. Because I want to do the video and share the soap with you, I said, you know what, let me just decided to share the other products that I'm using on my face. So every day I use my eye cream, and I'll just take a little of my eye cream and I will just dab it under my eye, and I will pat, and then I'll just massage it in from in out, and I'll do some at the top, massage in out. And this is the eye cream that I use. So the eye cream is from Elizabeth Grant, and I find it's really work on dark circles. Also for me, I don't know, everybody's skin is different, but for me, I see the improvement in the dark circles because I struggle with dark circles under my eye. For the bag, not so much. Any puffiness you have under your eye, it doesn't do, like, it take a little bit out, but not so much for puffiness. But for the circle, yes, I know it really worked for that. And then my next product that I use the neck cream. So guys, this is my routine that I do every day. So it's like 3 minutes, I'm finished. So this is the neck cream. I think this is a different jar for this neck cream, but this is what it looks like. And I would just take a little bit, you could rub it in your hands or you could just dab it, and I'll just do, this is my routine, strokes up under my neck every day. This is what I do. And you don't forget to put it at the back of your neck. And this cream is so good. It's so good for tightening the skin. If you're getting any wrinkles under your neck, this cream is so good. I could vouch for this cream. I see it work miracles on me, on my mom, and I just love this cream. I've seen myself using these products for a long time. And just to say thanks to my mom, because my mom introduced me to these products and actually purchased these products that I'm using. So thank God for my mom. And the other product that I use, this is Refined Serum, and also this is from Elizabeth Grant. And I'll just put a little bit of the Refined Syrup, and I'll do a little bit of the Refined Serum, and I'll just rub it on my face. They always said when you put product on your face to just do up motion. And then I have the day cream. So I use the day cream for day, and I also have one for night. So in the night time, sometime I don't get to do it all the time, but I'll use my night cream as well. These products, you don't have to use a lot because they're so good. So you don't have to do a lot. So you just massage it into your hand, and then you put it on your face. So guys, this is my facial routine, and this is how I do my face washing. I put all my products on, and that's my daily routine for my face. So for the soap that I use on my face is the turmeric soap. If you're looking for a soap to give you some glow, to give you nice skin and nice amazing feeling, and as I said, get rid of pimple, is the turmeric soap. And I pick it up at the beauty supply store. It's I think $5.99 Canadian plus tax. So guys, this is my facial routine video today, and also I just want to say thank you to my subscriber that's subscribing, that's liking, that's watching. So thank you for watching this video today, and I'll see you in my next video.